Woodworking Bench, Unveiling Excellence, 5 Laser Engraver Machines for Precision Crafting. Dive into the world of laser engraving mastery in today's video on top laser engraving machines. Whether you're a seasoned artisan or a DIY enthusiast, selecting the right laser engraver is crucial for achieving precision and finesse in your projects. Join us as we explore 5 laser engraver machines on the market, uncovering their features, capabilities, and the unique magic each one brings to your crafting journey. 1. First one on our list is the Laser Engraver Machine, 5-watt laser cutter laser engraver machine for beginners. Higher accuracy laser cutting engraving tool for wood, metal, leather, glass, acrylic. With the advantage of quick focusing, accurate positioning, and one-button control, it's friendly for beginners who love engraving. 2. Next up on our list is the 24-volt laser engraver machine with 0.06 mm fixed focus eye protection compressed spot, 5000 mm per minute laser engraving area, 390 by 410 mm for DIY, metal, wood, and other materials. With ultra-fine compression, this laser engraver uses 32-bit professional motherboard, which is faster, more accurate, and easier to use. 3. This is a 72-watt laser engraver, 7.5-watt output power. Laser cutter, DIY, higher accuracy laser engraving machine, CNC machine laser engraver for wood, metal, acrylic, leather. It is compatible with a variety of engraving software, such as Lightburn for experienced laser users and Laser GRBL for new laser users. 4. Now we move on to the more expensive varieties. Here we have the Pro 20-watt laser engraver machine, 4-in-1 rotary roller kit for glass, tumbler, ring, 120-watt laser cutter, laser engraving machine for wood, metal, acrylic, and other materials. CNC machine for DIY, personalized gifts and woodworking. 5. Finally, the most expensive on our list, we have the 2-in-1 dual laser engraver, lightning speed, portable laser cutter and engraver machine, HD resolution, fiber laser engraver machine for jewelry, leather patches, dog tags, metal, business cards, and more. From compact desktop models to powerful commercial-grade machines, we've curated a list that caters to every level of craftsmanship. Discover which laser engraver machines offer you the best resolution, fastest speeds, and user-friendly interfaces. Whether you're engraving wood, acrylic, leather, glass, or even metal, we hope our video will help you make an informed decision to elevate your creations to new heights. Check out the links in description for more details and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, thanks for watching.